So your yo-yo string has two ends. You have the finger loop, and then this end that's twisted up, which goes around the yo-yo. This is the very end of your yo-yo string. If you get a knot in your yo-yo string and you need to remove your yo-yo string, here's how you reattach it. Step number one, you want to make sure your yo-yo is all the way reassembled before you put your string back on. If your yo-yo isn't all the way assembled, it's very easy for the string to slip in between the bearing and the yo-yo, and it's going to get caught, and you don't want that to happen. To reattach your string, what you want to do is pinch the very end, not your finger loop end, the very end of the yo-yo string. Pinch maybe an inch or two above the very bottom, pinch the very bottom as well, and twist in opposite directions. That will untwist your string, and then make sure you twist it enough to get it open so that you can fit your yo-yo back over top, and then simply slip the string back over top of your yo-yo. Most yo-yo strings, unless you're very tall, are going to be a little bit too long. Your loop at the end should be right around where your belly button is. So to adjust your string, what you're gonna do is let your yo-yo sit all the way on the ground, take your string, make a new loop, maybe right around the top of your belly button, and all you're gonna do is take this new loop, tie it in a knot like so, pull it tight, and then cut off this end right here. Remember, we don't want to cut below where the loop is. We want to cut off the extra string up at the top. So now our yo-yo string is a perfect length. To properly put the yo-yo on your finger, you don't just want to take the loop and then stick it on your finger, see how much room is left at the bottom. It's just going to fly right off when you go to throw it. So what you want to do is make a slip knot. How you do that is pinch your loop open, take a length of string that is below that loop, and then all you're going to do is pinch it through your finger loop, and now you have a nice adjustable loop that will stay on your finger. You want your yo-yo to go on your middle finger of your dominant hand, the hand that you write with, between your first and second knuckle.